Is she really lying to men about being pregnant? And if so, why? What is her end game? Did she present fabricated?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tamaqua, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lehighton, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, New Manning, Kunklatown, Beltsville State Park, Penn Forest Reservoir, Albrightsville, Christiaville, Christmans, Lansford, Summit Hill, Bowmanstown, Beaver Meadows, Perryville, Weisport, Trachville, and Fiddletown.